Here I have POCO M3 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to access developer options on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then go to the About Phone section. Here you have to find this MIUI version and tap on it with, oh no, not this one. Here you have to find MIUI version for POCO and tap on it with your finger several times until you get the message, you are now a developer. And you can find these developer options in the additional settings, and here they are. Here you have all of these secret hidden developer options. As you can see, you have tons of them here. You can also disable them here, and after that they will disappear from the settings list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.